Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Let's take a look only at the short term. LINK hasn't moved too much since the last video. However, it's exited. It's left our support region, our trading area to the upside now. Yeah. So what we did here for any of these pullbacks, we defined relevant support areas for the price to ideally react to and then continue the move higher. We had here our wave 4, our wave 2, a wave 4. This one was slightly missed. Then we had here our wave 4, and these all held. So basically, it's a bit like going up the stairs. The idea is that we're now in this circle wave 5 of a larger wave 1. And with circle wave 5, okay, the idea is that it will ideally reaches sort of the $23.70 or $24 level in one more high. Okay, that's not absolutely needed. The minimum expectation or requirement really for this last wave up, if we get it, we might not get it, but if we get it, a minimum would be round about $21.40, because what we want is for this wave 5 to move above the third wave top, which topped here at $20.90 on the, what was that, 12th of February. So then a wave 4 and one more high in wave 5. Now, again, that's the problem, a difficulty. There is another alternative micro count in which this wave could have already topped. It's only the alternative at the moment, not my preferred outcome, not my preferred wave count. I'm primarily watching for higher. Similar to ADA, I don't know if you watched the ADA video, but also here we've seen a reaction to the 38.2 retracement. So it's the perfect retracement level for a fourth wave. So I'm assuming currently this was the low of wave 4. Already posted yesterday, ideally LINK is bottomed, and ideally LINK is now moving higher in wave 5 towards, first of all, $21.40. So take a look at that level, check that level when we get there, if we get there, but we should do, if this wave count is correct. And then the $23.80 level would be next. And then we take it from there. I think we are close to a top, close to a more substantial top, because most of this rally from the June lows seems to be done. It seems like we might only need one more micro high, but even that could take us to $23, $24. And then wave 1 would top, because this entire 5-wave pattern from the June lows would then ideally be corrected, and that is our wave 2 corrective pullback before a third wave rally to the upside should start. Looking at the nano structure here, as I said, it counts best as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 topped around the 12th of Feb. Wave 4 was ideally going into the support area, which it did, and reverse, which it's doing. And then, yeah, I gave you the targets for the wave 5. Now, when would I change my perspective? When would I switch to the yellow count in which wave 5 already topped? Well, it would be below $16.78 if we get a sustained break below that level. I really would like LINK to have bottom, in wave 4. So ideally that wave 4 is in, but yeah, I mean, if it breaks below 16.78, that's a good indication that things are starting to break down, and the break below the wave 2 low here, the 25th of January low, that would be an official invalidation point for the direct further upside scenario. So yeah, but that's only because, if this move up is a diagonal pattern, could be, I'm counting it as an impulse, but if this move up is a diagonal, then the wave 4 technically could come down all the way to the low of the wave 4, but wave 2, but it's too low then to be reliable. So for me, the $16.78 level is quite an important marker where the probabilities are starting to shift towards something a bit more bearish. That's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.